Well, hello everybody. I got my brand new 1988 realistic TRC-409 emergency citizen band radio here. It's all hooked up to my bass antenna. Yeah, so let's see if it can't get out. You know, it's just kind of an experiment. We're running, this runs about 3 watts dead key, and it swings to about 5.5 watts. So let's see what we can do. CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada. CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada. We're waving. How about it out there, DX Land? How about it out there, DX Land? CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada, with that wave. Come on, come on. How about it out there, Skipland? How about it out there, Skipland? CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada, with that wave. We're trying. It's actually got pretty good audio. Pretty good audio and not a bad receive on this thing. Emergency, Channel 9. Emergency. Pretty cool. It's got a push to talk on the side, just like a walkie-talkie. That's the microphone right there. Volume. This is the squelch. They call it range. Instant Channel 9, emergency Channel 9. Here's your connections on the bottom. It's an RCA connection for the antenna. There's the back. How about it out there, DX Land? How about it out there, DX Land? CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada. CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada, with that wave.
On the Family Channel 381, Kush Radio.
How about it out there, Skipland? How about it out there, Skipland? CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada, with that wave. Come on, come on. 747 in Indiana. How about it out there, DX Land? How about it out there, DX Land? CB Lounge 2112. CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada. We're trying. I just don't think we're going to have any luck getting out, but we can definitely receive. Oh, we got seaweed out there.
Hello, seaweed. Hello, seaweed. Sounding good out here in Arkansas, brother. Seaweed, man, why with this evening time wave? That's right.
CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada. CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada. We're trying.
Look at the turkey day coming up with your seaweed, your ground wire slipping on back. Get in trouble in the kitchen. Trying to get all the way break.
Now I'm getting a little frustrated. How about it out there, DX Land? CB Lounge 2112, Carson City, Nevada. We're trying. All right, well, I'm going to give up for now, but I haven't given up entirely. I'm determined to get a contact on this freaking radio one of these days. But we tried.